Good morning, guys. Yeah, got a lot to say. It's so good to see you. I missed you. All right, should we go for a swim? Let's go for a swim. Let's go for a swim, guys. Come on. Who wants to go for a swim? Who wants to go for a swim? That's just Andrew in his truck. Whoa, here we go, guys. Whoa, everybody. Goosey, you gonna go in? You guys want some more mealworm treats? Goose, do you want to go in, girl? You want some mealworm treats on the bank, huh? Okay, here you go. Here you go, sweetie. Oh, yeah, you're a good girl. You don't want to go for a swim this morning, Goosey? That's okay. Yeah. All right, guys.